Hello everybody, I'm Scotty. Welcome back to Scotty's Clock World. This parcel arrived last night from an interstate auction house from another cuckoo clock that I won about a week ago, I think it was. So we'll open it up and see what we got inside. The razor blade's not all that sharp, but anyway, we shall see. That over there. What's a very fancy bubble wrap. Right, I'll take the clock out first. That aside. There's the clock. We'll have a look at that in a moment. See what else we've got. The gong. And the topper. It's in pretty good shape. Tiny little piece off the end of the beak there. And I think there's a little nibble on there also. But we'll have a look at that and see if we can do some repairs on that before we put it back on again. Nice glass eye, see it reflecting in there. Pendulum. And a couple of weights in there. Open, see what size they are, see if they're the correct weights. Yep, there we go. The two weights. And back in the box. Now, we can have a look at the clock now. Lovely dark wood, very nice. Chains underneath it. An on-off. No, it's a pendulum meter, alright. Here's our little bird coming out. Case is in pretty good nick. You won't notice that when the topper goes on. Movement seems to be in pretty good condition. Pretty shiny in there. See if we haven't got any cuckoo sound, so we've probably got holes. Yep, we've probably got holes in the bellows. We'll have to redo that. But all told, it's in pretty good shape in actual fact. Little door on the side. One on the other side too. The chains. Round, so we can slot that in again. Well, that's not too bad looking clock actually. It's in pretty good shape. Movement looks nice and clean. As we'll see once we start to take it to pieces and look at it. Right, That's my 7th cuckoo clock. We'll be doing some work on that pretty soon. If you want to learn more about how to repair cuckoo clocks, then check out my buddy's YouTube channel. I will post a link to his channel at the end of this video. Mark has over 100 cuckoo clocks in his collection and has a deep knowledge about these clocks. So subscribe to his channel and hit the notification bell.